may mango. Masarap ang combination niya guys.
Wala namang tubig niyo.
Ang ano niya guys, mango, malagkit, ice cream. Masarap. Ito daw ang kanilang signature food. Break time. Mami. Oh, yung ano nagtitinda ng ice cream. Wala siyang pwesto. Ayan. Okay guys, balik ako maya-maya. Tapusin lang namin pagkain. So, ang haba na ng binaybay namin guys. Yan pa rin, dami.
This one I have Dr. Carp Thai Silk, favorite code best cover maker. This one Thai Copa for massage.
Meron tayong pang-massage.
Yes. What is that?
Thai Copa for massage.
Yeah, for
For forehead, for brain,
Pang-massage.
hand smell. Be careful นะคะ
big.
This one for the chili. For foot massage, very hot.
Yeah.
Hand smell.
What is this for
For
foot?
foot massage, for chili,
For
very
foot
hot.
massage? Very good.
This one very strong.
How much is it? Oh, bagong sa ako.
For this one, big size.
850?
Yes. If you take one,
Only
take
this is
two.
small one?
I have some like this.
No, this is 850.
Yes. If you want, I can discount. This one market.
Oh, you
price
mean
is-
you give us 500? No,
you buy how many? One or two?
one only because
Only
we
one?
will try because
Oh, this one you can return them in later.
600. This one. Okay, no, go with it. Oh,
And for the
Hilot
carb,
ang hilot si
oh,
Lolo.
this one, this one.
This one no more anything else.
No more.
no more.
Hawakan.
เอาอย่างเดียวเนี่ย
Yeah.
This one I
What are
have.
we in through this one?
Hmm?
The big.
This one give me.
Yep. Yan ba?
This one only note.
No, I think so. Only for my foot.
โอ
Yeah.
เคไม่เอาอะไรไม่เอาแล้ว
Yeah. Ibigay mo yung kwan.
Thank you so much ค่ะ
Yung tubig
Next time we can.
โอเค
We have a lot of we buy it a lot of
Thank
things.
you so
Okay.
much ค่ะ No
Thank you.
more anything
No more.
No more Have a good day ค่ะ Thank you
Alright.
Can see can see don't buy don't worry can
Yeah.
see I have
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you. Sawidi ka.
600จากคนเดียว
Ayan. steward na babae.
Mahal, mabilihin nila din.
Ha?
Mahal.
Walang pinta na dito.
Yeah. May commission siguro ang mga dito. Ito, restaurant. Fresh foods. At ito pala, ito ang Thai tea. Trinay ko siya. Masarap din. Oh. Masarap. Trying the Thai tea, guys. Yan. Habang nakasakay kami, nag-tea. Yan. Mister. Oh. Inom ka rin. Inumin mo. Yan. Pineapple. Ako naman is Thai tea. Juice drink. Not bad. Yan. May traffic. May traffic din dito guys sa River Market. Ayan o. Tingnan nyo na. Ayan o. Oh, traffic. At kami din. Ito, papunta dito.
Ayan o.
Traffic din. Ayan. Per hour, per boat. So, floating market. Paalis na kami guys. Balik na kami sa floating market. Ito din.
Akala ko, diba?
Ito din, market din ito. Floating market. Yun pala. Boat.
Yung lang boat. Hindi floating. Hindi naman
Hindi daw
nagpo-float yung
floating
palengke.
market. Masakay sa boat. Tama nga naman. But floating market na tawag kasi nga nasa tubig. Yan. Punta na kami sa elephant guys. Elephant. Oh my God. Grabe. Nakamaligo kami wala sa oras dito. Grabe, ano. Bilis ng takbo. Paano naglalabas sila sa tubig na to? Madumi. Pero ganda ng mga siya, no? Ganda ng kanilang mga
Baka
bugambilya.
tumagili.
Tagal din pala.
Hindi pa lang maligo dito.